There are nights that change everything. Nights when the past returns, when secrets are revealed, and when love becomes stronger than time itself. This is one of those nights. Tonight, I will tell you the mysterious and unforgettable story called The Night He Returned. My name is Clara. I am 25 years old. I live in a small city near the sea. People think my life is normal, but I carry a secret in my heart. When I was 18, I met a man named Adrian. He was tall, with dark eyes and a smile that hid many mysteries. The first time I saw him, it was a stormy night. I was walking home alone, the rain falling heavily on my shoulders. Suddenly, he appeared. He held an umbrella over me and said gently, "You will catch a cold. Let me help you." That moment changed my life forever. Adrian was not like other men. He never spoke about his past. He never told me about his family. But when his eyes met mine, I felt something powerful, something eternal. We met often, always at night. He walked beside me, told me strange and beautiful stories, and whispered, "Clara, I will never leave you." But one evening, he disappeared. I waited for him under the old oak tree, our secret place. But he never came. Days passed, weeks passed, still, no sign of Adrian. My heart was broken, but I could not forget him. His voice, his touch, his eyes, they stayed with me everywhere I went. Years passed. I studied. I worked. I tried to live a normal life, but deep inside, I always felt Adrian was near me, watching over me. Sometimes at night, I heard footsteps behind me. Sometimes I felt a warm hand on my shoulder, but when I turned, there was no one there. Exactly 7 years after he left, something happened. It was a cold autumn night. The moon was full, and the wind carried strange whispers. I walked again near the old oak tree, and then I froze. He was there. Adrian stood under the tree, looking exactly the same as before. Not older, not weaker. The same mysterious man I loved years ago. My heart stopped. I whispered, "Adrian, is it really you?" He smiled, his eyes shining in the moonlight. "Clara," he said softly, "I told you. I will never leave you." Tears filled my eyes. I ran to him. When he held me in his arms, I felt safe again, like time itself had stopped. But deep inside, I knew the truth. Adrian was not ordinary. He was something more, something beyond life and beyond death. Since that night, I have never asked questions. I do not need answers. Because love is not always logical. Sometimes, love is eternal. Sometimes, love is a mystery. And Adrian is my eternal lover. The man who returned when the world thought he was gone. Some people enter our lives for a reason. Some loves never end, and sometimes, when the night is silent and the moon is full, love finds its way back.